G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. It's been such a long time since our last video that I really want to just give a big shout out to all of our wonderful subscribers and thank you for hanging in. The reason why it's been so long is because we've, in the last 12 months, acquired this beautiful property that we're in the process of renovating. We couldn't be happier with this property, and we're very grateful to the previous owners who actually developed it over an extended period of time. We now have got some amazing bones that we're going to build upon, and it's while we're building it that we want you to be able to enjoy and to see what we do in this gardening journey. There are so many different garden rooms here with all sorts of different varieties of plants and styles to the gardening. There are incredible traditional gardens with lavender hedges and roses. Beautiful Japanese style gardens with incredible stonework features. Many beautiful camellias, tibucinas and all sorts of varieties of magnolia. So come on this journey with us as we maintain and develop these wonderful ornamental gardens even further. But in addition to that, we've got a food productive garden planned that is not yet here. And so I would really love for you to enjoy and to watch as we develop that garden into the future. I hope you've enjoyed this video and are also looking forward to what's to come. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.